This is an eagle.
This is an eagle. Eagles are strong birds with big wings. They fly very high and can see small things from far away.
This is a flamingo.
This is a flamingo. Flamingos are tall birds with long legs and pink feathers. They like to stand in shallow water and eat tiny shrimp.
This is a penguin.
This is a penguin. Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but they swim very well. They live where it is cold and waddle when they walk.
This is an owl.
This is an owl. Owls are night birds with big round eyes and soft feathers. They can turn their heads and are very quiet when they fly.
This is a pelican.
This is a pelican. Pelicans have a big beak with a pouch to catch fish. They scoop up fish from the water and sometimes share with friends.
This is a cardinal.
This is a cardinal. Cardinals are bright red or brown, birds that sing nicely. They like trees and eat seeds and berries.
This is a crow.
This is a crow. Crows are smart black birds that can solve puzzles. They like to collect shiny things and talk with other crows.
This is a seagull.
This is a seagull. Seagulls are birds that live near the sea and love to fly over water. They eat fish and sometimes grab snacks from the beach.
This is a macaw.
This is a macaw. Macaws are very colorful parrots with loud voices. They love to climb, play, and say words they hear.
This is a rooster.
This is a rooster. Roosters are male chickens that crow loudly in the morning. They protect the hens and walk around the yard.
This is a turkey.
This is a turkey. Turkeys are big birds with a fan-shaped tail. They live on farms and make a gobbling sound.
This is a stilt.
This is a stilt. Stilts are birds with very long, thin legs for wading. They walk in shallow water to find tiny insects and crustaceans.
This is a duck.
This is a duck. Ducks swim on ponds and have webbed feet for paddling. They quack and eat plants, seeds, and small water creatures.
This is a woodpecker.
This is a woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck on tree trunks to find bugs. They make drumming sounds and have strong beaks.
This is a peacock.
This is a peacock. Peacocks are known for their big, colorful tail feathers they show to impress. They strut around and shake their feathers to get attention.
This is a sparrow.
This is a sparrow. Sparrows are small, friendly birds that live near people. They hop on the ground and eat seeds.
This is a parrot.
This is a parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can copy sounds and words. They are playful and like to learn tricks.
This is a hawk.
This is a hawk. Hawks are birds of prey with sharp talons and fast flight. They hunt for small animals and soar high to look for food.
This is a goose.
This is a goose. Geese are big water birds that fly in a V shape when they migrate. They honk loudly and like to swim in ponds.
This is a pigeon.
This is a pigeon. Pigeons are common city birds that come in many colors. They peck for seeds and sometimes live on rooftops and parks.